Are you wondering about replacing your missing teeth? Let's discuss further in this video about how you can leave behind the pain and shame of losing teeth and move ahead with relief and confidence. Losing milky teeth in childhood was all about the tooth fairy and such fascinating tales. But as an adult, losing the permanent natural teeth is a disaster. Don't worry. There is a solution for this problem, and it is known as dental implants. What is dental implant? Dental implants are small parts made of titanium fused with a combination of other friendly metals. These parts are inserted into the gums or jawbones of a patient to serve as roots and support artificial teeth. What is the procedure for dental implants? There are 4 major steps involved in which the whole procedure is divided. 1. Preliminary dental examination. 2. Dental surgery. 3. Healing. After placement. 4. Fixing the artificial teeth. How can you benefit from dental implants? 1. Support eating food. 2. Enhanced jawline. 3. Better aesthetics. 4. Easy to look after. To know whether you are a candidate for dental implants, feel free to consult our dentists at Healthy Smiles Dental Group. Call us on 03-9877-2035 or book online appointment at www.healthysmiles.com.au.